Hi guys, what's up? I'm back with Doom Patrol Season 3, Episode 7 called Bird Patrol. I rather enjoyed the last episode because we focused, mostly on Rita and her time traveling, basically. She doesn't remember who she is, but we get to know more about the Sisterhood, and I really enjoyed their vibe. They danced, they had some fun, and they just seem genuinely happy when they're together. And I wonder what Laura DeMille did for them to be so angry with her, because she was kind of like the ringleader. As we can see, she's the most able to fit in compared to the others, and maybe she abused that or something like it. But I guess we'll see in this episode. Cliff, still not sure where his head's going, just sold everybody's stuff. Kay is taking over her body again, which is a huge deal for Jane. But it seems like the other, personalities don't like that because, it's a self-preservation thing. I mean, Cyborg is also thinking of, redoing his body to look more normal. I don't think he'll go through with it, but I want to see that emotional journey he goes through to, actually learn to appreciate his powers and ability to help people, because I know that his dad chose it for him, took away that choice. But I do think he enjoys helping people. Oh my god, my cat just joined me. Oh, this is an exercise. Are we ready to get going? Yes, we are. I don't really remember what Larry's going through right now. He had a nice kind of, he faced his son, and I'm not. If I was close to you, you would be dead because I'm literally radioactive, and it's not been easy being alone and wrapped in this stuff. He kind of stood up for himself, so I'm happy for that. Anyways, guys, enough talking. Let's get going. Boom, boom, boom. Woo! Tonight? Dang. Larry, what's going on? Let it out. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I don't want to see that. It doesn't look gross. It's just imagine throwing up worms and stuff. It's just
Why'd you leave?
Well, after 9/11, Star doubled down on weapons programs. I wanted to heal people, not arm them. It's a shame
Respect.
how many of my clients were disfigured.
I just generally don't trust scientist types in this. But she's got to earn it,
Yeah, I can liquefy an armored truck in under 3 seconds.
Wow.
Don't get rid of the cannon. That thing's awesome.
Well, okay. Anything that requires more energy than you get from a burrito, gotta go.
I'm gonna give it up.
Your biotech interfaces are almost entirely nanotechnological, which makes extraction largely a matter of code. So this could be an overnight procedure.
Dang, that's fast.
This isn't a decision you should take lightly.
Take some time, man.
Have you talked with your father about this? This will be a lot easier with someone by your side.
My fucking records?
I like her. She's earned it. She's earned it, guys. Not hastily taking away this power, I was worried she might want that tech, but talk it out with someone who cares about you and you care about them.
What? There's something weird going on with you.
Talk some sense into
Something
him.
weird going on with you.
After you get my fucking records back, you're gonna...
Jane?
Oh shit.
Oh fuck! I got this. I took a
Oh man, don't crush her.
87.
Gnarly! Why are they throwing stuff up in this episode?
Ooh, you got the prize.
What the heck?
It's those data freaks.
Share workout tapes, on the other hand.
My what? Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, dude.
You sold my share workout tapes?
Let me explain.
Nice. I'm glad we're seeing some more personalities again. And powers.
Wait, no, I'm still not flat. Shit.
Dad.
Yeah, that's why he wanted to get
doing here?
fixed or better before.
Hey!
getting to know
Here I am!
them more.
Surprise extended Grandpa visit!
A conjurer.
Can you apply this ability to, say, artillery?
I knew
sure,
she was going to ask
I
that.
guess, but
Weapon.
Ooh, yeah, you can't like conjure knives, and you can't conjure anything really. I wonder if I can conjure live things or just like inanimate things.
We'd all love to see you.
We all?
Yes. Holly, Malcolm, everyone. We miss you. Don't you
Starting to pull away already.
Miss-
There we go.
making art and expressing yourself? It's your coterie too. I swear, if the Bureau
happened?
could, they'd make us forget that we all had lives before.
Yes, well, don't worry. I'll never forget. Now, send in the next recruit, would you, on your way out?
Dang, she flipped pretty fast. She doesn't look very happy though. I wonder when she remembers again what she'll do with that information.
Let me guess. She said no.
She's gonna push you guys away.
Maybe you're right.
Okay. Bust a move.
What on earth is that?
It's just, well, it started as a tumor, but then it,
That came out of you?
yes,
Out of your...
out of my mouth. Okay?
I like her accent. She's like a fun addition, you know. I don't like how she was before.
I mean, you're probably dealing with some kind of space parasite.
Really? How can you be sure?
Well, what else could it be, you bampo?
Okay. Well,
I mean, a parasite, it would have something to feed off of you, right?
There is really only one reasonable response.
Kill it, but it doesn't seem dangerous.
give it a name?
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, burn it. Burn it. Right, and meet me in the great room when you've dealt with it. Jesus Christ, you burn it. Don't give a fucking name.
Is kind of like acting like a leader, and I think they need the direction because, you know, Niles is gone, right? And none of these guys are leadership material. Cyborg probably is the most, but he's dealing with his own stuff.
Well, we'll just go up top and get you a new bike. And this time we'll actually pay for it.
No! I don't want to go up! I never want to go up again!
Really? Just because someone here took your bike? Girl, this is your body. Take control. Be like, whoever took my bike better give it back. Oh, they're just scaring her again.
Are you serious? Yeah. We'll just walk down to Scooter Dog's, grab an ice cream bar. We'll be gone in 20 minutes. 30 tops.
You won't regret this.
I will
You're gonna have the
regret
whole
it if
place cleaned
you
up.
Here.
do
Just in
something
case, for
bad.
emergencies.
No! No!
Okay.
No!
Cool.
I swear to God, if you spend any of your daughter's money when she has a child, I will literally hate this character forever. Oh my God, and you're watching a baby for 20 minutes, you don't keep your eye off that baby.
I guess that's that.
Just gonna leave it in a bag to slowly die? That's really
Next
messed up,
time you go
Larry.
to space, don't forget to wear a spacesuit, Larry. What the hell is wrong with me?
Larry, just like,
Here. It's
take
supposed
it or
to get
leave
pretty
it.
chilly
Oh
tonight.
my God.
Hey, look, there's nothing to be afraid of. I don't think.
Dude, also introducing something totally alien to this environment, like, that could cause so many issues for the ecosystem. But yeah, we won't think about that. Ooh, the fog is coming.
That can't be good.
And what do you and the supercomputer in your head want?
Nice. So he chose her. I mean, because she has like a, you know, injuries as well that affect her look. So this is the best person, because also not biased as your parent.
What?
Look, I just wanted you to know because you were the one who...
What are you talking about? What happened to wanting to be a hero?
My tech doesn't make me a hero.
That's a fair question. Doesn't
Having
it?
an energy can infuse to my nervous system.
That's not what I meant. You're walking in through the lobby with a big dumb smile on your face talking about, "Hi, I'm Cyborg, nice to meet you." But sometimes change comes from the inside.
I didn't ask for this, Ronnie.
None of us asked for what we got. Only thing that matters
is what
we do once we got it.
Yeah.
The fact is, you're a more effective agent of change as Cyborg.
To make more of a difference. Not wrong, not wrong.
Like, you taught me to trust myself, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Thought you'd be happy for me.
Well, that definitely gave him something to think about. If she was like, yeah, do it, he'd be like, okay, cool.
Who took the fucking bike, Doc?
Whoever took it, I hope they threw it in the well.
I'm gonna fuck you up!
They will have done us all a favor. In case you haven't noticed, Kay is staying put right where she belongs.
Because she's fucking depressed, not because she wants to.
I hate to point the finger, Jane, but you've opened this can of
What is their
worms by allowing
problem?
her to go up in the
I don't want to see them go, but they're supposed to be on Kay's side. You know, she's the big boss. But they're suppressing her. But if Case like stands up to them, they literally have no power over her because they can't destroy her. Yep. I like mind games like that. I would totally do that to somebody if I had that power.
And what does that make you?
Someone she's gonna punch in the face if you step any closer, maybe.
Those freaks are merely an untapped resource.
That's what they said about slaves. So. Everyone has their role, and not what you decide, it's what they decide to do with it. You're gonna betray them just to get a bigger role in this stupid organization. This is so awkward.
The eternal flagellation would certainly be a big middle finger to the Bureau, wouldn't it?
But what about Laura? She'll never go along with it, and we'll be forcing her to choose between us and the Bureau.
そんな簡単なことだったら、もう彼女は出てってるわ。
Dang. Yep. And this is where they drew the lines. But this is so long after. I mean, I know they were captured, but it's like times are a-changing, man.
You should have seen me, Ginger. Big Papa Cliff was Mr. Momming
Oh,
the shit out of
Cliff,
that
I
kid.
am so pissed off at
Well,
you.
Big Papa.
Maybe just a little. Ow! Hey!
Vic! Oh my God, are you okay?
Fuck me!
Nice.
Sophie, is it the meds again? Do you want me to call somebody?
No, don't call anybody. It just needs to run its course.
I like the fog effect.
My drug-filled fantasy sequence or some shit.
Oh my fucking God!
Nice dance moves, everybody.
How do I know this place?
It's coming back to her.
I wanted you all to know how proud I am of you.
This is really dumb, but we actually look pretty cool.
Yeah, totally
You're so
cool.
scared of the mill?
How'd you do this?
Yeah, makes sense. They're pissed. It's, yeah, reminding her of the history.
Weapon.
Wait a fucking minute. Is this about you?
Weapon.
Is this like a flashback?
That's exactly what it is.
Laura, stop this.
Dang. Dang, so it was. I'm wondering, who was it in the afterlife that she saw? Because, I mean, if it was him, why did he look like that down there? No! Oh, nice. Got away. Go to the time machine.
Rita?
She looks changed, right? She has more of a purpose now.
I think we're about to find out.
Egg? Oh, the cage! It's like a cage in his chest and there was a bird, so is this him reborn or what?
What the hell is that?
Laura, you remember Malcolm? You killed him. Now you must set him free.
But I made an oath to the Bureau, and I...
But what the heck is this? Mouth flying? Mouth whatever. I don't even know what it is.
Mouth! Bendy, wait! It has to be Laura!
Dang. Oh! I don't get what happened to Malcolm, dude.
Was that it? Was that the eternal flatulation? I don't get it.
Flagellation.
That's what I said.
Reckoning, nice.
Sounds bad. Is it bad?
Only if you are.
Dang.
We're just gonna let him get away with this?
Dude, was that just Laura shitting or what? Or they're gonna get shit on all of them. What?
Did you see that?
What happened?
Is that the eternal flagellation?
I'm still high as
No, that's freaky. Okay. Yeah, it's one of those episodes where I'm like, what the hell is going on? Right? And you can tell it's like leading up towards some weird ass ending. That's what's happening right now. I was following along really well up until the end. And I mean, I'm over like at Larry's and them's. I'm just as confused. We're basically them just like watching this play out. And we like, oh, she's evil. She turned them in, you know, that whole thing. But then a guy who was a kind of tin man with a canary for a heart died, but then became a giant egg that became a bunch of birds with masks on? Cool. Are they ever gonna explain that, or is that's how it is? He just turned into that. We'll see. You know, this show, you just kind of just roll with the punches, I feel. You just kind of have to accept the absurdity of it, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just watching, enjoying the ride, and yeah, Cliff is the worst. I don't know. Is there anybody that really likes him? I understand, you know, that he has some kind of addiction to gambling, and there are people who've done that. They've used people they love their money to, you know, because they can't resist if it's right there for the taking. But it just really frustrates me. I feel like that's just a boundary you don't cross because you can never get back from that. Hopefully you didn't spend too much. But yeah, I mean, you're going to lose your kid's trust pretty fast if she finds out. What's up with that larva thing that came out of Larry? Looked like a big caterpillish or larvae-like. No idea. Disgusting. But yeah, we'll see where that goes as well. Kay is really pissed off and kind of retreating back into his shell. I'm getting annoyed at the personalities too. They're all epic, they have cool powers, but they're so negative towards change. Like, I guess it's a self-preservation because they don't want to disappear, because if Kay doesn't need them, they'll probably disappear, right? That's what I'm assuming. That's what they're assuming. So it's something they need to talk out with Kay. They're kind of just controlling her right now, and that's not okay. I think she needs to stand up for herself, and they need to start listening to, that the person who created them, basically. And Cyborg was gonna go through with his operation. So like this whole Sisterhood to die thing kind of came in at a perfect time, and he was super high. That was pretty funny. But we'll see if he continues with it. I do want to see more interaction with. I don't really really remember her name, but she was really cool. His love interest. She she has some much darkness as well, but she's using it in a totally different way than Cyborg, and I feel like they could have so much to learn from each other still, and can help each other become better and feel more at ease with their own bodies and such. So that I want to see more of her for sure. I think that's it. I think we've covered everything. DeMille, I really like her. I like her comedy, her accent. But she did screw over the Sisterhood of Data. Those are her people. Those are the ones she saved, and then she just betrayed them, she made them into weapons for 70 years. That's a big grudge I'm going to hold if I were them as well. But she escaped at the end. I wonder, I would have just faced the music if I were her. If you've been good this whole time and just remember now what you did, I'd feel such a sense of shame, and she just doesn't own up to it, and that's really frustrating. I feel like, own it, apologize, redeem yourself. It's not too late, but you're making it more difficult now, right? Anyways, I hope you like my reaction to this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.